Welcome. In front of me I have the Google Pixel 8a, and today I'll show you how you can apply screen protector to this device. So, to get started, I will be using some Grizz glass, though it says glass, it's actually not glass. And this one, even being said, this is for Google Pixel 8. It's not really 8a, but as you plop it on, you can see that this is basically designed for the same device. Now, one thing that comes as a bit of a weird part is this is supposedly 6.1 inch display, while the Pixel 8 has a 6.2, but that looks to not have any kind of difference, as this just fits over it perfectly. So anyway, that's what I will be using. Now in here, at least with this specific one, we do have a bit of this packaging where we have some wipes in here, the wet and the dry ones, and we have also instructions on how to apply it. And because this is a plastic glass, as you can see, the application might be a little bit different than you would do with a tempered glass. With the tempered glass, I have one just like kind of laying here, but this one obviously won't be usable. But if you're using a tempered glass, I will just kind of showcase how you could apply this. So I'm gonna take it off just because what I'm about to show this with is much bigger, as you can see. So I didn't want the bezels to get in the way. But with tempered glass, you just kind of grab it from the edges, align it with the bezels right here, find where the middle point is, and at an angle just try to align it at the top right here, and then just drop it basically, while also right here aligning it to be evenly spread. And when you place it down, apply some pressure and it would just stick to the display. And that's all you would need to do. Obviously, you would first need to clean the display to want to point that out. But I will be using plastic one, which sometimes is just a little bit annoying when there's any kind of speck of dust under there. It tends to just pop up the plastic up and you will have air bubbles, so you want to be very careful with this. So anyway, in here we get our little dust absorber, basically a sticker that you just kind of like plop on here to get rid of any kind of dust that have settled after you cleaned it and right before you apply your your plastic little protector. Now, before I start cleaning it, I am going to quickly mention that this one specifically has start and finish side. So start, when you peel it off, will reveal the sticky side. So basically peel that off. Whatever you're holding in your left hand where it says start, that's basically the start that you peeled off, is to be thrown out, and that then reveals a sticky side right here. So you just flip it over like so, plop it in there, and then remove finish to basically reveal the actual layer that you'll be interacting with once it's on your device. So the finish is there just to protect any kind of scratches that might happen to this before applying it. Okay, now in terms of wipes, we have wet and dry ones. So this is the wet one. That's what I'm going to start off with. There we go. Now, the liquid that is on here is alcohol based, so it shouldn't really damage anything. It's alcohol because alcohol obviously removes oils and just kind of like the finger oils that you'd leave on the display, along with just dirt. So anyway, once you clean that off, and toss that to the side, grab a dry wipe and dry off the display. Now I'll be applying this protector with the case on, I think. There we go. So it's now completely clean. I'm just gonna kind of see how that will go. Nope, never mind. I'm gonna do this without the case. I'm trying to be very careful so I don't leave any kind of smudges. There we go. It doesn't look like I need to grab this as there is no dust on the display. You can see it's just pristine. So let's peel off the start. Now I do recommend once peeling it off to keep it kind of like upside down, so there's no dust that would settle on here once you peel it off up. Now when applying it, you can do the same kind of logic as I described with tempered glass, so just drop it to the top first. You can see it's sticking, so oh, we get a bubble. So lift it up. There we go. And you can see it's perfectly on there. I think I actually applied it a little bit too low. Shouldn't have much of a problem with it. Hopefully, let's try. So what might happen is if you apply your protector a little bit too low, when you put on a case, it might get in the way and just kind of push it up. But that doesn't seem to be the case on here. Now, with that being applied, we're now just going to peel off finish. So you can see, so. And there we go. And here is our screen protector applied. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.